The waka in itself, it's just not a physical, it's a metaphysical, there's a spiritual connection to our past. Tangata ki tuao I utangi mihi ki aro Ataku Taonga e no o nei E tu rega reka hau E purutanga mana Na mana wa
What we're going to do is put this waka fragment inside this crate. This is for long-term storage. It will be safer in this crate than it is in its current situation. We're lifting it up so we can remove the armature underneath it and the casing that was surrounding it, and we're going to remove that, get it out of the way. So we've got enough space to bring our crate in and lower it back into the crate.
In our tradition, we believe that in dark time, the spirit world, Ngā atua te pō, our gods actually do what they need to do in healing the land. That's the reason why we do it at that hour in the morning. There are common things that you will observe within a relocation of taonga. You observe the purpose of the karanga at that time of the morning is to call to te tahapara, call to the new dawn. And so our ladies are actually communicating to the world to welcome the dawn. There needed to be someone to welcome the waka into its place in space. And given that Te Āti Awa has strong whakapapa ties to Raumanuka, being the maunga in Nānai, that was only appropriate that we be there to welcome not only the waka, but the people that accompanied the waka. It was important that everyone participate, not just a certain iwi. So, as our responsibility in terms of manaki tangata, it was an opportunity for those out there to participate, for them to bring their tohunga, their kaikaranga. To enable us to go forward, we need to look to the past. Just of a discovery of such a taonga can educate a nation. They are the enablers for us to hold on to our past and bring them into the present, but they also set a platform. They inform our future. Te kore I tupua, te kore I huna, te kore I tupua, te kore I tāwito, te kore I tiki mai a waiki.